everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joakim and I'm also known as That Mom of 5. If you're a newbie to this channel, welcome, and I hope you decide to join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I really do appreciate you all. And on this channel I share lifestyle videos, I share my journey as a student nurse, and I also share healthy cooking. Today, I don't know if I've mentioned before that I love to burn candles, most especially scented candles. I love scented candles, and I'll say all these branded scented candles have actually taken a load of my money. I should probably own a slot or a profit or a share in their company, because I love burning scented candles, especially during the colder months. I find that when I'm trying to sleep, it helps me get relaxed. It depends on what scent or what fragrance candles. So in general, I just love burning candles. And again, in the winter period, one tip you don't know: if you light your candle an hour before you actually go to bed, it just brings that warmthness. It gives your room that warmthness, and you will really feel that your room is warm before you actually go to bed. So I didn't know you can actually do your own candles yourself. So today we're going to be talking about DIY candle on Facebook, and I realized that there's actually a forum for people who actually make candles on their own, like DIY candles, scented candles. I was like, I would love to find out. So I've joined a couple of these groups, and I found out that it's something I can actually really do. So I came on YouTube. As you know, I came on YouTube and I came across another UK based scented candles manufacturer who is also on YouTube as well. I think they are called Cosy Owl. I'll try and leave the name of the brand somewhere here. So I found a video of them showcasing how you can actually do candles on your own at home. They're called Cosy Owl. So in this box you have everything you need to make your own scented candles. So yeah, this is my invoice there, and that's their company name, if I can get that. They're called Cosy Owl, and they're also on YouTube as well. I'll try and tag their website on this video. So I'm just going to run you through the items in the box, and then we'll move over to the kitchen area to DIY our own scented candle. So I'm just going to show you the items that came in the candle. So this is how it came packed. This is what the box look like. So here is a label that goes underneath your candle. See, when you buy a candle from a shop, there's a caution warning. So that's what it looks like there. That's that. And then in the box came this one that has all the items in it. So I'm going to chuck this box away. And by the way, guys, I am not affiliated in any way. I'm not being paid by Cosy Owl in any way to promote this. I just want to DIY my own candles, my own set of candles at home, because all of these name branders, they've had enough of my money. I don't want to spend any more money again when I know I can make my own candles at home. So it has all this thing to motivate you to make your own candles. So let's quickly run through the items in the box before we start making our candle. So it's got an instruction leaflet. A step-by-step guide to making your candles is in there, with instructions on how to get started. I hope you can see that clearly. And then it comes with a fragrance oil, which is the orange, juicy orange. I can't wait for that. Juicy orange is a fragrance oil. Then there's a candle dye, a dye to give your candle the color you want. And then you've got candle jars. So there's 5 in the box. Let's see if I can show you. 5 jars in the box. So I'm going to be getting 5 candles made out of this pack. And then it came with candle wicks. So these are the things that burn in your candles when you light them. They're candle wick. There you go. So it's like a candle making kit with everything in the box. And then you have your wax. So this is the candle wax. Oh, I think this is going to be blinding you guys, but it's actually white in color. So you probably can't see that, but this is what it looks like. So it's quite white, and it's called Eco Soya CB Advanced Candle Wax. So these are all the items that came in this box. So right now we are going to move to my kitchen area and let's dabble into this candle making. By the way, I need to put a disclaimer out there. This is my first time, so in case I mess this candle up, don't get angry with me, but I'm hoping I'll be able to get a better candle out of this, because it came with instruction. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the kitchen and let's get our candle going. So that has been in the jar now. So I also got this tiny peg just to make sure it's holding this, to make sure it's sitting at the center, so that when I'm pouring the candle, this won't be flickering over. So this is just a cloth peg, one like that, and I've just kind of like placed the wick in the middle of it, so that's why it's sitting centered that way, so it's not moving. So that's one of my jar ready. I was trying to be careful not to let that fall. So that's 2 done. So I've still got some wax left over there. I'll show you. So I'm going to be mixing that next, and I'll bring you back once I'm done. Alright guys, so this is the last part of the 800. So in total I used 800 grams of wax. So this is the last batch of it with a different color. So it's currently sitting at 64.6 degrees now. So, and I'm going to be filling it into these 2 jars, into my 2 old jars I've just washed, and I'm going to be pouring them in there. I don't know how I feel about this, but so far this is what they are looking like. And if you've watched me till now and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscription button, give me a like, share this video, and leave me a comment in the section if you want to see me try more of this candle making from other brands. I've actually seen other brands, and I've ordered I've ordered a few from them. Obviously, because of the pandemic, the orders are quite delayed. So if you would love to see more of this DIY of candle making, give me a like, comment, share this video, and give me a heads up like yes, you really want it. I've also somebody gave me a gift card for like soap, like making soap at home, so I'm going to use that to get some soap making kit as well that you can make at home. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe as well. So I'm just waiting for this to get to 65. So it's currently at 63.6 degrees. So currently at 63 degrees just now. So I'm gonna wait till this goes to 60 degrees and I'll bring you back so you can see how I pour this liquid into this jar. Is that ideal? Yeah. It's at 60 degrees now, so I'm going to gently pour them into the jar. I want to try and adjust that. Right, so I'm going to leave this for 24 hours overnight. So I'm going to leave a clip after in the image somewhere, in the video somewhere, of what this looks like once they are cooled. So you initially meant to leave them for 24 hours before you burn them. So I would definitely be sure to insert a clip so you guys see how this candle turns out. So like I said, if you would love to see more of this, give me a like, comment and subscribe, comment in the section box, and also don't forget to hit the subscription button so that you get to see more DIY. Thank you so much for watching me till now, and I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye.